Hi guys, today we'll talk about a tutorial of auctions updates for selling notifications on your eBay app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on my eBay down here. So when you click here on my eBay, it's going to take you in this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, then you click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, so or you just click here on notifications here. So then it's going to take you to next step. Then all you have to do, just go down here, then you come here to auction updates notifications, click in this sign or this color. The like you see color, it's gone here, that's mean auction updates notifications for or for selling notifications some of now. That's all, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.